Yo everyone, welcome to new video, welcome to my channel. I just made a Soy 6 video and I'm gonna stroll back the roads of Pattaya. Enjoy! Bro, take my cigarette package from here.
Johan.
Open it, surprise inside. Yeah, light it up, bro. You light up, bro. Damn, she's kind of cute, huh?
Oh, you don't make tobacco inside. You just put ganja.
No, little bit tobacco.
Very little bit.
Very little bit. You must taste, huh? Bro, I think there is something wrong with me here.
Suko prok.
That's why I go to Udun.
You know, she knows. She tell me about, I think 2 or 3 days I make. When I touch you, have something wrong, you don't want to touch me, you don't want to. I know what I need. I need fresh.
Fresh, yes, bro.
When I'm fresh, I can come back.
Yes. Bro, it's a marathon, eh? You have to keep yourself healthy, eh, inderdaad. Bro. So there are lots of hotels here near Soy 6, guys. If you want to stay in a hotel near Soy 6, good hotels, watch the signs here. Eh? Yeah, maybe we can go also to garden, to Thai club, I don't know tomorrow. Let's see, I feel, today when we were in Soy 6, normal I don't feel it, but tonight I feel like I want to get a little bit more.
St. Arden.
I think Altera is also from them, all
Yes,
from them.
From Arden too.
Looks
Same
also good, huh? I never been here inside.
More expensive to Arden. And when you come in the COVID time, it's then cheap for price. But I don't know.
Bro,
COVID time. COVID time.
Aster was like 40.
40.
No, 30, yeah?
Yes.
30 or 40 was Aster.
35, 40.
Yeah. But bro, was nice. I told you, someone I know was staying there. But yeah, Arbor is not Arbor, but Arden is a little bit better.
And staff take care so much.
You change after 4 days or what?
I don't know. I think every time I speak like that, the time will change.
You never you try Airbnb before or not?
Yes, I try. I go Arcadia.
Arcadia not so, but lots of new Airbnbs, but little bit far from city. The Rivieras are nice, but yeah, little bit far. Huh? Oh, this is perfect. It's walk distance from everything. Huh?
Sometimes for like same I have now, maybe it's good. Or because I have soy six nearby my room.
Yeah, bro.
Make me crazy.
Bro, don't make you crazy. It's the perfect place. So you can always sneak one in. Huh?
It's perfect place. Before, when I've seen your life, I have my security, I have my taxi driver, I have everything for me here. Every people know me, you know, here.
Bro, already every people know you. I work with you there. You're superstar. Huh? Sex tourist superstar.
I see catching this place.
Yes, here shady Chinese stuff, bro. Shady Korea Chinese stuff.
But you know, I want to try that, but I'm scared. Cannot sing.
Bro, it's not about the sing. They don't sing inside. Only the name is KTV. When you are
When I see Japanese come big lady in 36. He go before he fuck, he sing. Huh? You not fuck same short time. Huh? You sing first, after you fuck. Huh?
the ritual. Yeah, bro. But these KTV places, bro, mist club, going clubbing, going go is nothing compared to KTV. Go one night KTV, 50, 100, 150. Yes, bro.
50K?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You must not the shitty KTV, but the KTV you talk about.
Yes.
This the room starts from 50K, bro.
But I think, you know, you and me don't go. But I see, bro. I see where maybe she go. She go Panda, Hollywood.
Yeah, it's different. Panda, bro, you know, you Falang. If you go Panda, girls that come there don't want Falang. They want Korea, Morea.
You don't want cheap farong. You don't want cheap farong.
Kinao, huh?
But if you have good style, you see you have money, you can go.
Yeah, bro, but it's different level of money. Yeah? You see VIP in the normal clubs, 10,000, 15,000. Bro, Panda have the VIP 100,000, 200,000. Yeah. So if you want to talk there, you must talk VIP, yeah? Yeah, bro, here Pattaya different levels, huh? The girl I was talking about, bro, I don't want to talk what country, but you know, the KTV country. Bro, they're driving Mercedes Brabos, Porsche, expensive cars. Here in Pattaya, you see the houses, bro. Houses maybe in euro 1 million, 2 million. Huh? These motherfuckers have different level of money, bro. But location perfect, Beach Road, Soy Bucao, Soy 6, everything in walking distance. KTK is also here, guys, if you want to stay. Siam Few. But like I told you guys, when the channel grows, I'm gonna try all these hotels under the 50 euro to show you guys what you get for around 50 euro a room. But that's for later. For now, like, subscribe. Okay guys, we are here where we started the day. We made some video for you guys. Arden resident, you know it, recommended. Mike out here from the soy that I don't know the name. If you know it, drop it in the comments. See you in the next video.